Hey folks, Adam Odell here with Salem, and today I am extremely excited to bring you the all-new 2023 Salem 31KQBTS. Now follow me, let's take a look. As we make our way inside the 31KQBTS by Salem, what I want to point out is the biggest separator that we have versus the competition, and that's going to be this area right here. What you're looking at is going to be what we call our Versa Lounge. The Versa Lounge is going to be the ultimate versatility in RV furniture. Now you may be asking, what does that mean? What does that consist of? I'm glad you asked. So first, the configuration that we see is going to be an enormous L-lounge sofa with a L half-shaped dinette, okay? Beautiful thing is there's plenty of room here. So I'm 6 foot tall and I've got plenty of room to enjoy the camper and enjoy the space. I can watch TV, I'm just relaxing, enjoying the fireplace, just breezing the heat, right? Now, the moment that you get tired of doing that and you want to change it, what happens is with configuration 2, this back actually lifts off, you turn it around, you put it there. Now you have a full U-shaped dinette with a smaller sofa, okay? And last but not least, when it is time to go to bed, all this area, the entire 12-foot length of it, will fold down to make one large bed. So if you have any 12-foot kids, they got a place to sleep. And last but not least, all Versa lines that we have are going to have storage below, okay? There's plenty of storage below with RV totes, okay? These totes come with every single Versa lines that we offer. There's 5 of them. You have 3 under there and then 2 under the dinette, 1 on both sides. Now, inside the kitchen of the 31KQBTS, I want to point out something new for this year. That's going to be our brand new 10 cubic foot Everchill refrigerator. This fridge has a glass front with a metallic backing to give it that nice, beautiful, high-end aesthetic. Moving on to the area here, you have the nice oven with LED lighted knobs. You're going to have a glass top with 3 burners. Okay, you're going to have a hood range and a nice built-in microwave. Also, moving across, you're going to have plenty of storage in this kitchen. All right. The beautiful thing about this is it resembles that residential high-end look. You're going to have nice cabinetry. You're going to have nice frosted glass. I mean, overall, it's built in and it looks extremely cohesive. Now, I want to move your eyes down to one of the biggest benefits of our kitchens, and that's going to be this panoramic window. The beauty of the panoramic window, it keeps people on the inside connected to people on the outside. Because while they're in here, you know, cooking or cleaning or doing whatever it is they want to do, they don't feel left out. Having that window really makes them feel connected, and it gives that overall great experience that you want. Now, moving on to some more storage below, we're going to have what we call the Active Susie. Okay, Active Susie is going to be one large aesthetic door on the front, and then you're going to have 3 drawers that pull out. Basically, what this does, it gives you about 33% more storage than using 3 individual doors alone. Okay, once you push them all back in, you can shut it, and it gives it that nice, complete look aesthetically that looks like it's been this way and was custom built for this unit. Moving in the bathroom, you're going to see a beautiful form of functionality and aesthetics. Here's what I mean. First, you look at the shower. The door itself is going to be an antimicrobial door. You're also going to have a skylight above that to bring in all that extra lighting. Beautiful built-in mirror there with a medicine cabinet. You're going to have nice open shelving and a beautiful custom backsplash with a fan above the toilet. And that is our bathroom in the 31KQBTS. Now we make our way back to the back of the 31KQBTS. Now, back here is going to be the best part of this camper because not only is there 2 slides to have all this room, but the additions that we've made this year make this untouchable. First, I want to point out the fact that we are not using carpet any longer inside of this room. Before, there was carpet throughout. Now we've basically taken the same design from the main area and we moved it all the way through. Not only giving it a more cohesive aesthetic look, but functionality-wise, I mean, it's easier to clean, it's going to last longer, and gosh, it looks better. I mean, this is something we should have done a long time ago, but now that we've got it, we're very proud that we did, and we're happy to show it to you guys. On this side, we're going to have 2 bunk beds. You're going to have a nice bunk below and a stationary bunk on top. The bunk below is designed to actually lift up if you decide to. More storage below. There's 3 areas below if you want. You can bring that back down. Moving across to this side, we're going to have another bunk on top with a chalkboard, just for activities if you want, or tic-tac-toe, notes, you name it. There's a nice area for the kids to use a tic-tac-toe board. Moving down, you have a full queen bed pull-out, which we call our Versa Queen. The Versa Queen is a very, very easy way to have an additional queen bed in the back area for you and your family to enjoy. Last but not least, I want to point out the entertainment center. The entertainment center, aesthetically by itself, is just wow. There's a wow factor this has when you walk back here. This year we have added 8 different compartments, stow and go bins in this to add more storage, functionality, and quite honestly, aesthetics. It gives it a very cool custom look that you don't find in campers very often. You're gonna have more storage on this side, also more storage on this side, which is also hanging, okay? Nice area for your TV and an area for the kids to store their games or magazines, books, whatever they want. Plenty of room for that as well, okay? This is the back of the 31KQBTS, which is gonna be your camping haven. Another addition on the brand new 31KQBTS is going to be the addition of the fireplace. Now, we had the fireplace before, but the addition part is that if you look at the front of it, it now has that beautiful high-end aesthetic of a mirror front, okay? Last year we didn't have it, it was just completely black. But now, not only are we basically taking something functional, but we're adding that high-quality aesthetic, kind of like the high-end hotel, you know? We're gonna take functionality, aesthetics, mix them together, and that is one of our benefits of the 2023 31KQBTS. Working our way into the bedroom of the 31KQBTS, again, this is going to be another huge thing we're doing for this model year. All new this year, we're taking our queen bed and we're making it a king size bed. That's right, I'll say it again, a king bed. 66 by 78. 66 by 78. Not only are we making the beds longer or making the bed larger, we're actually creating more walk-around room in the bed itself. How do we do that? Well, we take the corners of our mattress and we actually cut it off and neo-angled it, therefore giving you more walk-around room in the bedroom. So, 2023 31KQBTS, you get a bigger bed and more walk-around room. Go figure, right? Also, moving above, you're going to see your storage compartments there. You'll have a nice hanging wardrobe on the left and the right side of the bed. Also, each side gets its own separate compartment with a 110 outlet. So if you have any use for a sleep apnea machine or you just want more use or something else to charge, you can, and you have plenty of room for it, okay? Also, lifting the bed up, you're gonna see full storage all the way through, pass through, accessible from both sides, camping and non-camping, and under the bed. Also, you're gonna have 4 stow and go storage bins with your classic shoe nook below. Bring the bed down. Making our way over to the storage compartment here, you're going to see what we call a laundry basket. Basically, it's an antimicrobial net that's been custom designed to fit on the back side of the door, and it's accessible from the inside or outside. So what you want to do is you want to put anything wet, your towels, your laundry suits, or dirty socks, you name it, you put it in there, you shut the door, you can actually access it from the outside, you tie it up, and you take it to the laundromat and you're good to go. You don't have to keep wet clothes in the camper anymore. Now, on the outside of the 31KQBTS, I want to point out a couple of really, really cool features. First, let's talk about the storage compartment, okay? We'll lift this up. You're going to have full pass-through finished storage all the way through. You're going to have access points from this side, the other side, and underneath the bed, okay? It's all finished out, it looks great, and there's plenty of room for whatever you want to put in there. Moving your eyes up a little bit, let's talk about the back of the door. The back of the door is actually a dry erase surface. The reason being is if you want to add any, notes, anything saying, hey, mom and dad, we went to the store, be back in 10, or a to-do list, or what not to forget. That you can utilize now on the back of this so you don't forget anything that's important to you. Last but not least, I want to point out the net that we talked about. This is the laundry net, which is antimicrobial and is designed to hold all your towels and laundry and any wet bathing suits or whatever you can think of. You literally put it in there on the back, you drawstring it like this, and you tell your kids, go do your laundry. Moving to the back of the camper, we're going to see that this has the amazing outside kitchen / entertainment center. This is my favorite part because not only do you have the accessories you need to cook, but you're also going to have an area here that is also backed and pre-ready for a television. So you can actually install a TV here, watch the game, hang out with the family while you're cooking or doing what else that you want to do. Also, it comes in addition with a nice metal countertop, okay? So it's easy to clean, very durable, and it gives that nice industrial aesthetic. Have a nice sink here with plenty of storage, 3 stow and go smaller bins there. Nice overhead storage with a net. Also, with the addition of a hook here, you can add, if you want to add your grill cleaner or your tongs or whatever, there's plenty of room for that, okay? Last but not least, we're gonna have our beautiful grill. So if you want to grill your steaks, hamburgers, you can. It's right there, it's attached to the back. It just folds away and it's clean and it's right there ready for use. And that is the outside kitchen / entertainment center on the 31KQBTS. Thanks again for stopping by and going through the all-new 2023 Salem 31KQBTS. We appreciate you stopping by, and if you have any more questions or concerns, go to our website, forestriverinc.com/Salem. Thanks again. We appreciate you watching.